Good morning, everyone. Today I will discuss discrete and continuous random variables. This is for us to better understand random variables and proper probability distribution. But first, what is discrete and continuous random variables? A discrete variable is one that can take on infinitely many or count a lot of values infinitely. Whereas a continuous random variable is one that is not discrete, or it can take on uncountably infinitely many values, such as spectrum of real numbers. What are random variables? A random variable is usually written as x. It is a variable whose possible values can be numerical outcomes of a random phenomenon. Next is the two types of discrete random variable can take on only a countable number of a value. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. An example in this statement form could be like this: the number of patients in a hospital, the number of children in a playroom. If a random variable can take only a finite number of distinct values, then it's discrete. The mean of a discrete random variable is an average of the possible outcomes with each outcome weighted by its probability. Continuous random variables. A continuous random variable is a random variable where the data can take infinitely many values. For example, a random variable measuring the time taken for something to be done is continuous. There are an infinite number of possible times that can be taken. A few more examples are the amount of iced tea in a glass and the number of hours a person works in a week. Now, how to know if a random variable is discrete or continuous? To know if a variable is discrete is obtained by counting. In continuous, it is obtained by measuring. A discrete random variable has a countable number of possible values. A continuous random variable takes all values in a given interval of numbers. Now, how do you find the random discrete variable? In finding the discrete random variable is computed by using this formula. The variance, sigma, and standard deviation of a discrete variable x are numbers that indicate the variability of x over numerous trials of the experiment. They may be computed using this formula, taking the square root to obtain the sigma. Now, how do you find the continuous random variable? The same as discrete random variable, you may use this formula. And this formula is to be expected value of continuous random variable. It is the continuous analog of the expected value of a discrete random variable, where instead of summing over all possible values, it is integrated. That is all. Thank you.